Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this angled router jig. So stay tuned and check it out. Alright, so typically in my videos I do some type of instructional voiceover, but for this project I kind of was making it up as I went. So I don't think I'm going to do that for this one, but I hope you guys stick around and watch this video and maybe get inspired to make some of your own custom jigs for your own projects. All right, so we got the jig all made. I put the router in here. Just got to tighten this down. All right, so that's in place, tightened down, nice and secure. I took this jig and I put a couple grooves in here. I just ran that through the table saw. I forgot to film that, but It's pretty straightforward. Ran that through the table saw to get these 2 grooves right here, and then I threw together this little corresponding plate. This is just going to get mounted to the work surface with a couple screws right here, and then these grooves are going to slide along this rail. Just like that. Alright, and just from a different angle, we're going to set this on here, like that, and then it can just slide back and forth. And then your work piece, the piece that you're going to be cutting a groove in, is going to sit right up here, and that's going to create a groove. After that, I decided I wanted to cut in a groove for a small shelf to slide into along the back of the stand. This would be a nice place for my hard drive to sit on and out of the way. Also, since it was along the back side of the stand, unless you're looking at the stand straight on, you won't even know there's a shelf back there. So I threw together this quick sliding router jig and cut an angled groove into each leg. The blue tape is just there to help prevent chip out. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I realize that this is a very specific jig for a very specific task, but in this case it worked out well for me. It actually worked out a lot better than I thought it would, and it really only took me like a half hour to throw together. So it's probably not going to get a whole lot of different uses out of it. It's only set up to be a 45-degree angle. There's not a whole lot of adjustment this way, but like I said, it worked out perfectly for the task that I had on hand. Now I also realize that you guys are probably not going to make this same exact jig, but hopefully this project kind of sparks some ideas for you guys in making those kind of one-off jigs of your own for the projects that you're working on. But in the off chance that you guys do have this same exact trim router and you want to make this same exact jig, I'll take some dimensions of this, I'll measure it all up, and I'll put together a drawing for you guys. So if you're looking for that, check out the description box below. There'll be a link to that drawing. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. That just helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. And while you're down there, if you feel that I've earned it, consider hitting that subscribe button as well. That way you're notified every time I release a new video. Like I said, I hope this sparks some ideas for you and your own projects. And until next time, thanks for watching.